With many people trying other means of alternative skincare, there are many ingredients that you could find useful in your daily beauty routine. And if you are dealing with black eyes, you will likely be looking for a lasting solution. It is possible you have heard that there are many uses of shea butter, but can you use shea butter under the eyes? You will find out exactly in this video if it is safe and what you can do when looking to get rid of eye bags. What is shea butter? It is a natural butter that is obtained from the shea tree. The fat-like substance can be useful in a number of skincare treatments. And as we will be discussing in this video, it helps in the treatment of eye bags. As a cosmetic ingredient, it could help with improving the skin's moisture, eliminating dryness and other related issues. You could also find it useful in cooking. It could be used in place of natural butter sauce to spice your veggies, meat, pasta, or rice. More than cooking, like mango butter for skin, it is used widely in cosmetic production to improve the appearance of the skin. Shea butter for eyes care. There are many reasons why you may need help with improving the appearance of the eyes. But what are the likely situations where you will require shea butter for caring for the eyes? You surely will need help to improve firmness around the area and take care of any wrinkle signs that may have resulted from poor sleep or aging. For one, it is compatible with all skin types, making it a useful natural ingredient for everyone to consider. It doesn't leave behind any allergies and easily blends into the skin when applied to leave behind a shiny appearance. The high presence of vitamin A and E makes it useful when it comes to promoting antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects in the face. Another reason why it is used is that it could help with improving the production of collagen. This can help with reversing the effect of aging. You also get to improve cell regeneration, which is useful in combating dermal conditions such as acne and eczema. It will also benefit the skin by way of its sunscreen effect when you use it for outdoor skincare. You could also use it indoors to help your skin reverse the effects of UV rays that could affect your skin negatively. It can also be used to provide treatment from sunburn and soothe areas of insect bite or slight injury. Possible side effects. While you could find this natural butter to have many positive attributes, you could also suffer complications when you use it under the eyes. For one, if it comes in contact with the eyes, you could experience irritations such as itching, redness, and swelling. People suffering from shortness of breath could also find it challenging to breathe when around shea butter. You want to also note to shop for quality options when in the market for natural skincare options. In the case of shea butter, you want to seek out those made with special care. They are usually labeled fair trade, so you want to look out for these when shopping for shea butter to use under the eyes. Using shea butter under the eyes. After making sure that you get the best quality supply, you will then have to use it properly on the face. And for treating eye-related conditions, you want to be careful how you use them. The first thing is to get in front of a mirror. This way you can be in control of the application. The next thing will be to wash the face with warm water and dry it with a towel. Next, take a generous amount of the shea butter and massage it on the palms gently. Then, looking at the mirror, apply it to the face and focus on the area under the eye. You want to massage the butter deeply so the oil can be absorbed by the skin. It may be best to avoid using making after applying the shea butter, so you may want to wait till 30 minutes before nighttime before applying. You should avoid using chemical ingredients to care for the skin under the eye. Natural oil options would be a lot safer, and you can try shea butter to improve the appearance of the face. Take care of wrinkles under the eye or swellings from a lack of sleep. Remember to check with your optician if you are in need of special eye care. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.